All right, let's see if we're live. I think we are. Just checking real quick. Yeah, it looks like I'm live on. Let's see, waiting for Code Chomper. All right, let's see. YouTube's up. I do this every time. Mute that. Says I'm streaming on Twitch, but I'm having a problem seeing it. 1 second, folks. If you can see me on Twitch, let me know, please. Let's see, Code Chomper on Twitch. Content not available. Says I'm offline on Twitch. Hang on 1 second. Restream. My bitrate is too high. Settings, stream. Gonna stop the stream for just 1 second. Try to set my settings. I'll be right back. Give this a shot. Am I online? Says I'm live. Still getting a warning about Twitch. Says I need to be 6,000 bitrate. Anyone know how to fix that? Video bitrate 6,000. Let me refresh the page here. I'm gonna stop and start the stream one last time. Refresh my page. Is it working? Is it working? Anyone in the chat want to confirm on Twitch? It looks like I'm working. All right, cool. All right, a little bit of hiccups in the beginning there, as always. Anyway, I took part in the Ludum Dare, however you say it, 42. I actually started on Sunday and finished it Sunday way late at night. My game is called Tetroids. It's a fun take on asteroids and Tetris mashed up together. Built it in about, I'd say, probably about 16 to 20 hours straight, just jammed right through it. The coolest feature about mine is that it has a high scoreboard, and it's global, so you can post a score and everyone will see it. And you can turn off the music if you want. And it has a playable menu, so that's kind of cool. See some people from that have submitted their games have also played my game, which is awesome. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, that's enough of the shameless plug. Here are your submissions. These people down here submitted today, and they did so hoping to see their game on the stream. These people, I need to rate their games because they rated my game, but they don't know about the stream. So I'm going to do theirs last and let them know about the stream later. So other than that, let's see if we can get this going here. YouTube's working, Twitch is working, thankfully. I got so much stuff open over here to the side. All right. So if you're just joining and you haven't submitted your game, if you want to submit your game, I'll post links in between each game how to do it. Anyway, the first one we will check out is this furniture, ultimate furniture stack. So let's check it out. Let's go there. Ultimate furniture stack extreme. Game about setting up your new pad, organize your furniture nicely, throw it in a pile. Whatever floats your boat. Be sure to answer phone calls. It's your new landlord looking for an excuse for an eviction notice. All right. Move the character around, WASD, spacebar to jump, mouse to turn. Click and hold to grab furniture. Did not make the fonts, everything else they made. Okay, let's check it out. Ultimate furniture stacker. I like the retro vibe you got going on just there. Kind of cool. If this is your game, please say so in the chat. Ooh, volume's loud. Good music. Alright, so let's check this out. Press return key. Dude, welcome to your new apartment. Let's feng shui the shit out of this thing, okay? Alright, enter return. Oh wow, okay. Oh, where's the phone?
Eviction.
Wow, okay, I got eviction. That quick. Let's put this. Let's put it backwards right here. Oh, E to answer the phone. Okay. Let's put this over here. Okay, I'm figuring it out. What is this? Oh, okay, this is a painting. Let's put it over. Whoa. That's the phone. Whoa.
Perfect placement. Looks cozy.
Looks cozy.
Coming together.
Alright, lamp. Oh. Feng Shui master. The road is long, journey hard. One eyes can hardly believe. Oh, I didn't know. Good job or something.
Be good.
Am I on level 2? Is that what happened? That's the phone. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, I'm on top of it. Over there. Let's grab this thing. Uh-oh. Gotta get this fridge out of the way. Come on.
What's cooking?
Oh my goodness.
Eviction.
Oh, I got an eviction already? Okay. I think I'm getting it.
Looks cozy. Perfect placement.
I got crap everywhere. Alright. I am definitely running out of space, so I can see how you use the theme there. Alright. Oh, stairs even.
Begin.
Alright, well, shoot. Let's see if I can get the lamp up the stairs. Oh, gosh. Can't go up the stairs. Oh, spacebar to jump, that's right. Go back over there!
Eviction.
Let's see if I can put the fridge upstairs. No, can't. I want to go this way. Fridge out of here. This is pretty fun. I wish there was a little bit more control on like placing things, but I get it. The jam was short, you know? This is pretty awesome.
IKEA table. Check. IKEA table. Check. What's cooking? Nice feng shui.
Nice feng shui.
Looks cozy. Give him the chair.
Okay, so I think I found a cheat.
Looks cozy. Come together.
Just keep tapping on one of the items and you just get points. Please leave a score. I don't remember what my score was. Very cool. That one was interesting. I like that. Very cool. I'm not going to show myself rating your games because I don't think that's very cool. But I will tell you that overall I thought it was pretty good. And it was fun. The innovation was pretty good. Hadn't seen anything like that else in this competition. I like the theme. The theme fit really well. The graphics were cool. Like the audio. It was funny. And it had good mood. Alright, cool. I'll go back and I'll actually leave like a full-on comment to your game. Let you know exactly how I felt, but I'll do that off camera. So, we got this one. This one was done. Next one. This one is blocks. Oh, cool. Looks like a little Tetris style. 14-year-old game developer. Awesome, man. Keep it up. Let's see. I made this game due to schoolwork. You only had 5 hours left when you joined the event. Wow. Alright. Let's check it out. This game was made in 5 hours. So we'll have to check it out. W-A-D space or arrow keys. F for full screen mode. So real quick, just checking the chat. Before I start the game, if you want to submit a game, that's how you do it. Let's see. I'm gonna make sure real quick that I'm still running on YouTube everywhere. Okay. Spacebar or enter. Okay, died. Let me read a little bit more about it. Once you try to survive as long as you can as you slowly run out of space. Looks like you die by getting hit in the head. Okay, exactly what happens. Let's go full screen with this, because I imagine it'll be better. Full screen. I like it. I like the idea. Like Tetris, but you're trying to get to the top, huh? Oh, and you can only jump so high. That's interesting. Like if I fell down in that slot right there, I'd probably be dead. Oh, got crushed. All right, this is cool. Man, I can't believe you made it this fast. I do find the shadows on the wall behind are a little misleading, but maybe you were going for that. Maybe if the play surface was closer to the wall behind the game, it'd be a little bit easier, but it's not super difficult, so. Let's see. If you're watching, let me know in the chat. I want to know if you target the player or if the blocks are like just straight random. Like if I just stayed over here to the side for a long time, will I get targeted? Let's find out. That could be a feature you add later on if you didn't do it. It doesn't look like the player is targeted. It looks like it's just pure randomness. As I say that, I almost get bashed on. Is there a double jump? I notice sometimes I jump higher than others. Oh, and I stuck to the side there. Woo! Yeah, if I'm next to something, I can't jump. So watch. If I butt up against that, well, I did that time. Yeah, can't jump. Have to back away and then jump. A little bug, but again, you made it so fast, so that's pretty fun. Let's see how high I can get. Let's get serious. Shoo! Wow! Ah, jeez. They fall faster and faster. Oh my goodness. Jump, jump! Ah, I got stuck there. Pretty cool. My best was 52 seconds. We'll play it one more time. Beat that, 52 seconds. Pretty simple music, but you do what you had to do to get it done in the time. I like how it adds sense of like urgency to the game. Definitely fits the game, the theme. Jeez. I wish if you got hit in the head while you were in the air, you didn't get killed. I wish that like maybe it would hit you in the head and push you down, but you could move out of the way in time. That'd be cool. I do like that even in the short amount of time you had to build this, you implemented a best score and your current score. It's pretty cool. Because it makes me want to beat this 52. In fact, I'm going to play it one more time and see if I can beat that 52. Let's see. A little bounce there. That's pretty cool. No. Alright, one more time. See, it's pretty addicting. Simple game mechanic. Knocked it out really fast. And it's fun. So good job there. This is your game. Please let me know what your highest score was, because it's interesting. I like the concept. Dang, almost got whacked. Seems like it's almost better to stay in the air. Maybe not. Cool game. I like it. So let me go back to it. Blocks. I like it pretty good. So overall, like I said, that was cool. I liked it. It was very fun. Innovation. It was pretty innovative, especially for the time you had. It met the theme really well. The graphics were simple, but it looked good. It kind of fit that style. I liked it. And then the audio was simple, but fit the game really well. So overall, good job. Would you say you started this thing and you had how much time you had left? Ridiculously short amount of time. I know that. Let's look one more time. 5 hours. Made that game in 5 hours. So good job, man. Keep it up. All right. Next up, we have Bunny Bazooka. Okay. I like the title. Let's see what it does. Globe trotting, shoot 'em up, where you're a bunny with a bazooka. Protect your cozy planets from an invasion of meteorites and other worldly creatures. Progressively fast-paced gameplay. Art inspired by my clothing. Fluffy planets. 3 enemy types. Smooth difficulty progression. And 10 levels so far. Wow. Alright. Let's see. Whoa. Bunny Bazooka. Oh, okay. So, hint here. I was waiting for this to load as the game. And luckily I scrolled down to see that the game was there. So maybe if this was just a little bit smaller, the run game would be above the fold of the website. Just a little hint for next time. Let's see. Recommended to play in full screen mode. Yes, we'll do. Red things are invincible to your bazooka. Uh-oh. Alright, if this is your game, let me know in the chat. I'd like to talk to some of you guys. Press space. Up arrow, down arrow. Okay, will I get shot? Boom. I liked that you added. Okay, what's going on there? Can't touch red things, huh? I knew they were invincible, but didn't know that they'd kill you. Okay. I like that you allow the arrows to run the game too, because I don't really like WASD for some reason. I'm old school. Oh man, I got myself trapped. Screen shakes a little much, but it sort of fits the the ridiculousness of a bunny with the bazooka, so I like it. Okay. Oh, okay, you can jump over. See, I didn't know if you held it, you jumped higher. So, very cool. Now I know. Now I know I will jump over these meteorites to kill these invaders. Oh my goodness! Okay, you can hover. You probably knew that though, but... if you wanted to stop that from happening, you would have to check if the player was on the ground before you let them jump. It doesn't hurt gameplay at all. Not too bad. Whoa, that guy almost got me. Got some bazookas waiting for him. Pretty cool. A little disorienting actually when you're on the bottom, but it's cool. Let's see. Oh, dang it. Okay, so the bunnies on the planet are your lives. So I got only one life left. And I just got whacked. What is the twinkle sound supposed to mean? When it starts twinkling. Twinkle, twinkle, ding. It's not apparent. Does that mean an incoming baddie? Or... yeah, that sound. What is that? Cracked that fool as he was landing. Let's see. Act 3. Oh, the red guys are invincible to me, my bazooka. Oh, okay. This guy's gonna kill me. He's faster than your bullet, too. Oh, was he eating my bullet? That looked like he was eating... Yeah, that's pretty funny. No more bunnies left. Pretty cool. I like it. It got progressively harder as it went on. Good job, like you said. Progressively harder as it moves on. Again, I'll rate this off screen real quick, but I'll talk about it. So, overall, it was pretty good. I laughed, so that was good. That means it was fun. The innovation, that was fairly innovative. The theme, running out of space. You definitely ran out of space around the world where you were trying to run with all those asteroids landing. I thought the graphics were pretty cool. Inspired by your clothes. I like that. The audio was good. It wasn't very apparent what the twinkle sound was supposed to be. But I like the audio. The humor was pretty good. I mean, a bunny with a bazooka, pretty good. I like the mood. Overall, awesome job. I liked it. It definitely was fun to play. So, let's see what's next. That was Bunny Bazookas. Let's check out Castle Defenders now. Wait, I'm sorry. Bunny Bazooka. Castle Defenders. Wow. Okay, let's see. Voxel art is always cool. Looks like the page might have locked up on me. Okay. You have 8 different characters in your inventory that fight for you on the battlefield. Each of them got a unique characteristics on the map. There are 2 castles, and guess right, you have to defend your castle. There are also flags positioned on the battlefield. This seems hard, okay. Mark your territory, where you can place your troops. The enemies can't destroy your flags all at once. Destroy. Cannot rebel if your space gets smaller. Okay, that's where they use the theme. So, you have to play strategically right, not to run out of space for your troops, and to destroy the castle of your enemy. Let the fight begin. It says you can try it on your phone even. Pretty cool. No hashtag.org. Pretty cool name. Best players. Do you have a global high scoreboard too? That's awesome. If this is your game, let me know in the chat. It'd be kind of cool to talk to somebody who has their game there. I'd like to know what engine you're using. If you're using one. Alright. Your castle. Your flags. Defend your space by using characters carefully to know when to start. I'm confused as what's going on. Fight that guy. How's that fool got a horse already kicking my butt? They're kicking my castle's butt. Wow. Is this your game? Is your game? I'd like to know how to play it a little better. Okay, so fight that guy. Okay, don't buy chickens, I guess. Oh, you can zoom in and out too. Wow. That's pretty neat. Fight those guys. Their butts. Get a horse on the ground. Fight those guys, yeah. Okay, I'm doing a little bit better. Oh, I can't place them in the red. Okay, I get it. I can place them right outside the red though, and jack your stuff up. Let's put a knight on here. I don't know what the chicken's for, but I'm gonna place one because it's funny. Oh, look at this guy. Boom! What an orb. Fight that guy. Fight! Okay, he doesn't do anything. No, they're kicking my butt! I need a horse! I was doing good. That horse kicks my butt, man. I'm dead. A little bit further. Alright, I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna whoop some butt. Wow! Can you make it not so dang hard? Yeah, I'm already overrun. It would be super awesome. It looks like it would be super awesome. I just can't figure out how to do any better than I have. Come on, horsey. Kick some butt. How do I get coins? I feel like I'm missing something. This looks like it could be so awesome, but I don't know what I'm missing. Settings. No. Is the trick to just wait? Don't use any of these guys. Just land a bunch of these. Horse is 10, okay. The trick is to get horse first, I bet. Because I can take out, with a horse, I can take out way more people. Okay, turning the tide with horses. Gotta get horses. It'd be cool if you could change the character you're laying down with like the number keys. Like if I pressed 1, it'd be this guy. Press 2 would be the horse, you know? That'd be cool. Hello. Oh look, I got to put my name in. Code Chomper. Victory. Did I win? Bunny Bazooka. Oh, you just missed it, man. I played Bunny Bazooka already. I want to see if I can do better on this. Really quick. Man, they started off with a horse. That horse, when they just start with that horse, man, they kill me. Alright, I'm gonna die on that. Let me restart that. Give me some points. Check that guy up with a horse. Kill him off! This game has a steep learning curve. Here comes the army of horses, suckers! Wow, I barely got in that. Alright. Cool. I like that game. The voxel art was pretty cool in that too. Very good. So let's see. Again, I'll rate your game off screen real quick, but I'll talk about it. So, overall, I thought it was a pretty good game. It was very fun. The innovation was cool. I liked it. Definitely liked the voxel art for it. So the graphics are really good. The theme, it met the theme very well. Liked the audio. It was pretty funny. I liked the different characters. The mood was good. One thing is maybe you ought to have like a couple different levels of difficulty. When they start off with that horse and they're just tearing up your bases and your flags, seems a little bit unfair while I'm just waiting to gain, coins so I can buy a horse. In a regular game, that's perfectly fine because someone in a regular game, they're going to play it over and over and over again. But during a jam, someone might have played that the first time and got frustrated and just quit and not even played your game all the way through and wouldn't even have realized the depth of your game. So I would maybe lessen the learning curve at the beginning and then ramp it up, maybe different levels. But I understand time's short. You did a lot of work on those 3D models, the animations, and the AI and such. So good job. Very cool game. I liked it a lot. It was very fun to play. Yes, I played the Bunny Bazookas. It was very cool. I'm sorry you missed it. I am recording this stream, and so you can go back and see it on YouTube. I thought it was a very good game, though. I liked the art based on your clothes, so that was cool. All right, next. All chats. I want to make sure I'm seeing all chats. It doesn't seem like I'm seeing all chats for some reason. Anyway. Alright, we just played Castle Defenders. It was a very cool game. I'm going to do a quick little plug for my game. Tetroids, if you haven't played it, it's a pretty fun game. You're a mix of asteroids with your ship and Tetris with the blocks, of course. So that's where I got Tetroids. Have a cool high scoreboard, so if you do play it, you can get your name up there. Let me reload it real quick. Yeah, so I've got a few players, so that's cool. One thing people might not know about this game is if you touch something, you can't shoot. Like here, I'm sitting on the bottom block, I can't shoot, but if I hover just a little bit, I can get my shooting back. And so that might mess you up, but you have these blocks that come down. Starts off with a real low difficulty, but then it gets faster and faster and harder and harder. Takes a few bullets to shoot the people, or the blocks, I mean. So anyway, I'm not going to play my game and show you the whole game. I want you to play my game and rate it for me. Anyway, next up is this cat house game. I hope it's okay to stream this one. We'll find out. Your cats are out of control, and your roommate is coming home soon. Keep the cats from breeding and blowing up your house. All right. Godot user? Yeah? No? Maybe so? I use Godot as well. I love that engine. Let's keep our cats from breeding. Use WAS keys to move. Use spacebar or enter to pick up cats. Put cats down. Okay. We're gonna keep the boy cats away from the girl cats. Are they? Oh no! They just made a baby. Oh my gosh! I'm making it worse. Hey Rumi, what's up? Nothing. Cats are just doing. Don't let the cats destroy the house, okay? That would really suck and drive rent up. Okay. Gotta keep the female cats away from the boy cats. No, no! Oh, I found a couple of strays. Stop bringing cats home. Take care of them too, okay? Alright. No! This is hard and funny at the same time. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep all the girl cats in one room and all the boy cats in the other room. No, quit it! Stop talking to him. No, you just bump into them and they make babies that fast? That's pretty funny. Stay over here, guys. Don't go over there. They're trouble. Girls are trouble. Oh, there. Oh shoot. Man, that one. Oh. I'm bumping the cats into each other and creating babies. This is not good. I'm doing a pretty good job keeping them separate, but I got one female over there. Oh man! Oh no! Oh no! All right, this idea is pretty fun. Gameplay is ridiculously hard. Oh, it's funny. All right, I think I've reached point of no return. Oh, nuts! I totally forgot about what the hell happened in here. Our house is ruined. That's pretty funny. If this is your game, I'd like to know what was the inspiration for that. That's pretty funny though. I hope your house isn't breeding cats this fast. Oh, I got tears in my eyes. That was so funny. All right. So you can kind of guess though. I'm going to rate this thing pretty high in the humor. Overall, it was funny. It was good. It was well implemented. The gameplay was really hard. Like, I think maybe the cats should mate a little longer before they pop out a baby, so you have a chance to like break them up. And maybe if you had a spray bottle to spray the cats that were trying to make babies, maybe that would like separate them for a second. That could make the gameplay a little bit better, a little bit easier to handle. But I like it. It was fun. I laughed the whole time. Innovation was pretty good. Definitely met the theme really well. The graphics were pretty funny. I enjoyed the little meow sounds. The mood was good. I was frantically trying to separate the boy and girl cats. So yeah, he did good there. It was fun. It was a lot of fun. Good entry. All right. Next, we're on Star Hopper 1. I don't know if you could beat that cat mating game as far as funny goes, but we're going to try. So let's see. All right, Star Hopper. A and D on the keyboard to move. Jump space. A on Xbox controller. I like that you put an Xbox controller on here. I wish I had one set up to play with. That's something I always mean to add to my game, but I never, ever have time. So that's cool that you added that. I can't test it though, but glad you added it. Hello. Yes, I'm about to play your game here, Star Hopper. Very cool. Let's try it out. Run game. Okay. A and D, jump. There's not much feedback on what I'm supposed to be doing. Well, maybe the game tells you on the main screen. Unity. Does this game run good full screen? Let's find out. The big crunch. Okay, I like where this game's going already. Oh, I like the squishiness of the player. It does work full screen. No space to stand. Oh, okay. This is gonna be fun. Purple comments. Okay, those puppies sink. Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, no space to jump even, it says. Oh! Good level design right there. That was awesome that I landed on that thing. I just took a leap of faith and did it. Okay, holding space longer, you jump longer. Oops. This has a very cool feel to it. Okay, maybe I should jump on that. I like the difficulty. You hear me banging on the keys. I myself, I make pretty difficult games. And I always wonder, there's other people out there that like the difficulty of my games. Oh, okay. I know I gotta jump on that purple asteroid. That second one. But just making it happen. Nope. Okay, I wrote it off the screen. Alright. I don't need to. You're right. Oh, okay, cool, but I died. Okay, let's see. Oh! I got nailed by that. Oh, man. I like how the player almost feels like dough or something. It's really cool. No! How many levels are there on this game? Oh, I got it again. Alright, this is fun. Good work on the feel of this game. I don't feel like I'm getting cheated out. I feel like every time I die, it's my fault. Which is hard to do in a platformer sometimes. Oh. This is the last level. I can tell because the difficulty on this one is up there. I really wish I had an Xbox controller. I feel like it probably plays better with an Xbox controller. Or easier, I don't know. It doesn't play bad with the keyboard though. I'm just sucky at it. Oh man. Alright, getting serious. Nope. Alright. Oh man. This is hard. I like it. Nope. Man. Am I faster when I'm rolling than when I'm in the air? Dang. Damn that asteroid. Yeah, he moves slower in the air. I felt it felt like it. I did. It's good to know. That way I don't stay in the air longer than I need to. Can you roll over that gap? No. Dang. Oh. Oh. I like the fast restart. If it didn't have the fast restart, probably wouldn't have played it this long. So good job on that. 1 second, let me unplug something real quick. My Alexa thought I was talking to it, so I unplugged it. Oh. How do you time those asteroids? That's interesting because they're not just flying right now. They fly like when I trigger them. So that's pretty good. You have some sort of area entered script or something. Oh, okay, good to know I can stay on the thing and still make it. Dang. Okay, don't do it. Ah, still hit it. That's as far as I've made it so far. So it's good level design. Definitely gets harder. One thing I might add was like some areas of rest. So like instead of it just being hard all the way through, maybe it's like a hard section and a little bit easier section. Dang. I really like this game. I really want to beat this dang level. Nope. No! Dang. That one right there, that's a hard jump. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Definitely has that frustrating, kind of like Meat Boy feel to it. Dang! I was right there. Oh man. Okay. Not gonna make that jump. That jump's hard right there. That's one of the harder jumps on this level. Was that first, like, that one too, because I keep getting caught in the corners. Alright. Dang. Give a few more shots. Oh, I had to jump on that asteroid, huh? That last one. Yeah. I don't think that's gonna happen, man. I had like a crazy double jump right there. No, no. Alright. Well, in the interest of time, I am going to bookmark this game and I'm going to beat it. Just not right now. I'm going to add it to my collection. Very cool game, man. Thanks for submitting it. I really enjoyed it. It's definitely has that hard platformer style. So overall, I think you did a great job. It's definitely fun. Innovation, definitely. I think that the most innovative part I thought was like how you made the character feel like it was actually dough. That's pretty cool. And the theme, I get that the platforms are getting smaller, so you're kind of running out of space. And you use space, actual space in there. So that's pretty funny. The graphics were pretty good. Does it have music? I had to turn it down. It does have music. Okay. That's hard to do in a jam, is make music. The humor, it's not really funny itself, the game. Had me laughing though when I missed my jumps. So, I'll give it some good humor points, and the mood was consistent throughout. Definitely felt like a game I've played before, in a good way. So good job. I actually enjoyed that a lot. I will finish this game, but just not on the stream. Alright, so next up, and Storm. 20 seconds. Dodge enemies in a rapidly narrowing area. 10 levels. Use Construct 2. That's actually a game engine I haven't tried yet, so I might try that one coming up. WSD, arrow to move. Sorry. Mouse, aim, left mouse to shoot. Let's watch the trailer. Since you took the time to make a trailer, I'm going to watch the trailer. Shivart, if you're out there, I'm playing your game. Ah, it looks pretty darn cool. I like the graphics of it. The trailer doesn't have sound, but still cool. You don't see very many people make trailers for their games. I don't normally do it in a jam because, man, I barely have enough time to make the game. I like how the shadow on the floor right there looked like he was dodging the shadow. So anyway, let's check it out. Some cool screenshots. Awesome. You exported to all the major players. I always run out of time. I don't always do all the exports. I just make sure I hit HTML5 because most people don't want to install your stuff during a jam. Alright, Construct 2. I don't know much about that game engine, but I want to try it one day. Oh. Oh, okay. Let me turn it down. Plays well, like... Oh, shit. Oops. I mean, shoot. Oh! It's hard. That's pretty cool. I haven't played a game with this type of mechanic before. Oh, whoa. Come on. Whew. First level down. Alright, well, looks like I chose a small spot to stand. Oh, I like how it's changing. Forcing me to move around. Oh, shoot. Win, it said. Huh. That's interesting. It said I won, even though I died. Maybe they're just being nice to me. Come on, I want to get to level 3. Awesome. I like how the floor keeps the player moving. Otherwise, the player might just stand still and just shoot at things. Because I have a tendency to do that, just stand there. You might give a hint that they can press and hold the mouse button to shoot. Because I didn't know until I died the first time. Oh wow, okay. The planets, or whatever these things are that are coming at me, will push you if you don't kill them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay. What? Level 4. Okay. Pretty cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, that was unfair. Level just killed me right off the bat. I like how you can start at the same level that you were on. You don't have to go all the way back to the beginning to level 1 again. That was a good choice for a jam. A jam where you want to keep your people playing so you get a good rating so they can see the depth of your game. You don't want to bore them to death with the first level over and over again. So I like your choice on that. That was a good choice, I think. To let me start off at the level I died on. I like the mechanic of like the stuff coming in and like trying to get you like the shadows. You're almost running from shadows, but the shadows are cutting the floor and you can see into space. Oh, yeah, I'm dead. Pretty cool. Good job. So, overall, I enjoyed it. I liked your choice to let me continue off at the level I died on. That was cool. It was fun. I liked the mechanic of it. I thought the mechanic was very innovative. Get a good score there. You met the theme very well. The graphics were nice. The audio was pretty good. The song was very repetitive. And I realized that you only had a short amount of time to make the song, right? So you don't have a whole long time to make this big composure. Something I did during the game jam, my song was very short too. It's only made of 3 different little pieces, but I play each piece a random amount of loops. So the first part might play once, the second part might play 3 or 4 times, third part might play once, then it goes back or whatever. And picks which part it plays randomly. So the song doesn't ever sound like it's repeating. But it was only made up of 3 little tiny parts. So I'll turn it up a little bit so you can hear it. So that's part 2 right there. That's part 1. Part 1 again. Part 3. Part 2. So that way the song doesn't ever sound like it's repeating, but it definitely is. It was a lot shorter to make than actually making a giant composer, and I let sort of procedurally generated song. If you think about it, you just make the parts and stick them together randomly. Anyway, enough about my game. Why is it supposed to stop? Yeah, I'll just do that. Okay. If you want to play my game, here are the links for it. There. We are now on Farms Polders Tycoon. Oh wow, look at the graphics on this thing. Farms and Polders Tycoon. I'll let you manage a city near the sea. Your growth is limited by the available space, but you can create polders. I don't know what that word is. By building seawalls and pumping water. This needs manpower, people to eat and live somewhere. You start with 1 house, some food, and a worker. Your goal is to make a prosperous city of 100 inhabitants with 40 foods in storage. All right. Use right click to move the camera. Your building must be connected by a road. Build a road is probably the first thing you should do. Fields can't be harvested if it's not connected to a food storage by road. W on a house to indicate total workers living there. On a pump or a crop field indicates how much people work in there. At the moment, if you have 0 population, you're lost. You win. When you win, and only display a notification. Sorry, but thanks for playing. Okay, when you win, it just says thanks for playing or whatever. Okay. Let's see. Hacks, Phaser, Inkscape, Blender, Bootstrap, Vue.js. Very cool looking. Let's check it out. This is your game. Let me know. Hopefully you're watching. Let's see. Farms. You start with, well, yeah, I read that already. Loading. Let's see what we got. If this is your game, shout out, let me know. Hopefully you're watching. Did I break it? Or is it just loading a bunch of stuff? This makes me think like it's a button. It doesn't do anything. Okay. I'm gonna turn it down. This is amazing. This place should be placed on a drying ground. Okay, that's not drying ground, I guess. Pretty cool work already. I can see that this took a lot of work. I wish I could. Oh, maybe I can. Don't know where to use these water pumps. It's okay. See the objective. Store 100 food, have a population of 10. Move the camera. There's no rotate, I don't think, but man, what is this icon here? There's no road. Can't put roads there. I don't know. Let's see, let's make another house. Have a population of 20. Need to store more food. It looks like I need to make some more cornfields. Don't. Maybe I should make a seawall right here. I could cornfield it up. Let's make a road down here, a road this way. Food storage. Can I rotate these pieces, or are they fixed? I wonder. Use the arrow keys maybe? No. A new worker has grown. Awesome. Oh, it's saying there's no road to the storage. Ah. Okay. We need more houses. We need more workers. Let's build a farm camp. Let's see, the road maybe needs to go along the side of it. Another house down. There we go. Oh, it needs a worker? Okay, I'm gonna get a worker on my pump over there. full storage. Very cool game. Man, if I had some more time, this looks awesome. This looks like SimCity almost. You put a lot of effort into this. Oh look, I'm gaining ground with my pump. Let me build out a massive seawall. Little road out to that one. And another house right here. Go back. Destroyer. Destroy that. Maybe if I build a road. Alright. I don't know if I'm supposed to be able to do this, but get a house out here maybe. Go back building a seawall. Someone died from starvation. Crap, I don't have enough food. I have too much population, not enough food. How do I get rid of these things? Bummer. I wish the owner of this game was on to answer that question for me. Because it doesn't look like the destroyer does it. I don't need these seawalls anymore. I need a cornfield. Everyone's hungry. Oh my god. I overworked them. They all died of hunger. Alright, cancel. Destroy the house. Destroy this road. Build a crop field right in the middle of it. Cheated. But it works. Very cool. I like the concept. I cannot believe you made this for the Ludum Dare. That surprises me a lot, actually. This was a lot of effort. You should be congratulated with this. I've never built an isometric game, and I keep telling myself, I'm gonna make an isometric game. I'm gonna make an isometric game. And I never, ever get it done. But I'm getting inspired, because this is good work. This is very good work. Look, I can destroy that now. Why do those show up, I wonder? That's the one thing I don't understand about this game so far. Water pump. Place that water pump down there. Put a destroyer on that. Make a road out to it. It's really cool. Really, really cool game. Put a house right there. I like how you took the theme running out of space and reversed it. I'm impressed. Really am. The depth you were able to get in the short amount of time, excellent. Alright, gonna rate this game real quick. Overall, Excellent. Very good game. Fun. It is fun. I like how you flip the theme on its head and actually made an expansion game. Most people wouldn't have been that brave to do that, but you did it, and I see how it fits. So I'm giving you good marks on the theme. Innovation, pretty good, pretty good. I like how you, like I said, like how you flipped it. The graphics are great. The fact that you were able to get this done in that short amount of time with the AI and everything, good job. Humor, I like how the people die when they're hungry. I guess I have a twisted sense of humor. The mood is good. Everything felt like it went together really well. Awesome job. Like, I want to keep tending to this because I see places where I need to work on it. I need to make it better. Fantastic. Now I want to crop. I need more food for my people. I need a storage unit right there. Can't praise the building on the coastline. Good work, man. Very good. That's all I can say. Awesome job. I am going to... Let's see. What's this thing? Escape? I'm going to try to... Good job. And that was the game jam. You worked with someone else. Very good job to both of you. All right. Last but not least, Claustro, like claustrophobic. Got it. The small puzzle arcade game about fear. The aim of the game is to place as many words as possible before your time runs out. Feel free to show us your high score. Press R to display. Place all the words on the field horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. Forwards or backwards, use the mouse and space. Where the words are solid, so use the movement keys to navigate terrain. The rest will leave for you to discover. Alright, let's give it a shot. The beginning of the stream, someone had a nice logo at the top of their page, and it pushed their run game button down off the screen, and I kind of like was waiting for it to load. But luckily I scrolled. I like how this person made sure that the run game button was on screen. Kind of important. Let's see. If this is your game, please let me know. I'd like to interact with you. WASD. Interesting. Alright, oh, I changed that. Okay, very cool. Dark. Oh, this is a cool game. I see how I'm running out of room. This is so awesome. Death. No! I did not want to do that. Okay, undo, Control Z. No. That would have been funny if you implemented Control Z in here. I would have gave you extra points for that. Oh, look at this. Look at this, people. W-A-L-L. Haha. Hide. Self. This game is so cool. You should be so proud of this game. Would have made it a little bit easier is if there was a grid to show me where like it was gonna land, but that would make it maybe too easy. See what I'm trying to do there? Didn't fit. Didn't fit there either. Victim. How many words? Victim, let's see. I'm running out of space. I really like what you did here. I caught myself. I think that was the last word. Oh, there's no reset. Oh, I want to play again. I got caught. Alright. One more time. I'm going to play this. Going to do it a little bit more carefully this time instead of putting myself into a hole. Let's try this one more time. Reset. R. I have an idea. May. S-E-L-F. Show. Okay, that was a bad idea putting it down at the bottom. I thought it'd be a good idea, but it was not. Caught in a corner. S N helpless. I'm helpless, I gotta put it there. Words. Giving me these big words. This is a fun game. I like the music. I'm concentrating so much on the game, I'm forgetting to comment on it. Victim, 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 victim. words. I think I might have won. Quit. Very interesting game idea. I wish there was like a way to know how close I was to being done, or other. There's no place to put it. Ends in R. Might be able to do that at an angle. Wretch. Very cool. All right, I can keep playing that forever. I really like the style of the game. The mechanic is crazy cool. One thing is I can't see where I'm at underneath the word right here. Might fix that. I would also say like how many pieces are left, or some sort of end game. I don't know if there is one. My fear is there's not one. Get it? Anyway, I probably could play this for a long time. I'm trying to figure it out. So good job there. Suffer. I'm gonna suffer unless I know how this works. Anyway, cool. I like it. Claustro. Overall, pretty good game. I like it. It's definitely fun. The innovation, I'm going to give you the highest score on innovation because of the gameplay style. Very neat. Definitely meets the theme. Graphics are nice. The music matches, and the mood is perfect. I like how all the words are like your fears, and the music's really somber. Good job putting that all together. That is awesome. So, that being said, I finished rating all the games that were submitted for the stream. Now I'm going to work on the games that were submitted not for the stream, but for just because I asked for games, HTML5 games. So I'm going to knock those out here really quickly, hopefully, because I already won almost. Okay, screensaver. A game about deleting and compressing files on a computer to save space and get coins. You can also buy upgrades to increase maximum space, make files smaller, and more. The intense awesomeness of this game is sure to keep you engaged for maybe 20 minutes. I don't have 20 minutes, but let's give it a shot. I like that it's small. So running out of space and the thing's already small. So good job there. Windows 95. Whoa, I haven't heard that sound in a long time. More money. Basic instruction. Use the mouse to move files. Click start for upgrades. Don't run out of space. Files will appear on the desktop. Track files and mouse to move them. You can either put them in the file compressor or recycle bin. More on that later. Top is your storage space. Files take up space, but you can compress or delete them to save space and get coins. Just don't delete anything important. Compress cannot be thrown away, but they take up less space. Also, the compressor may also corrupt files. This happens the wrong way. Waste of space. Click start on the bottom corner. Upgrades more space. Increase more money. Click the X in the corner. Close the upgrade window. Alright, let's go. Is this your game? If you're watching, what's supposed to happen? Let me refresh this thing. Maybe I broke it. I might have broke it. So now it's loading. I love how you started with the Windows 95. That's hilarious. I'm waiting for files to appear. Alright, maybe it's gonna go now. The music changed. Can you guys hear the music? Oh, what did I just do? Turned off my monitor. Bummer, I kind of wanted to play this. This seems like a fun game. Doesn't seem like it's working. Well, I thought they might have made it with this. That's pretty cool. My son uses Scratch. Very cool. Oh, it looks like you can upgrade later. Oh wow. Alright, well, it doesn't work, unfortunately. I couldn't get it to work. Man. Some people got it to work. Okay, so they're saying refresh the page if it doesn't work. So I'm gonna give it one more try. No, doesn't seem like it's working. I found a cheat. It says congratulations, I made it to the end of the game just like that. Dang man, I wanted to play it. Other people seem to like it. I'm not going to rate you because I don't want to give you a bad score just because it didn't work on my screen or on my computer. Sorry, I got a lot more to go through. So it's Land Defender here. Let's check this one out. Land Defender. Defend your land from hordes of zombies. Zombies are coming. They spoil our fields trying to get into the town. Game is Phaser 2. Cool. Inkscape art. Whoa, I went to the repo instead of the game. Run that game. Alright, let's click on one. Recruit units. Use keyboard 1 through 4. Green balance. New land will become a field soon. Oh, okay. Plants versus zombie style. Go fight that guy! Get him! Get him! Got a shield, boy! Oh man, I just used all my money. Oh, crap. I like how some of them are slower. We'll battle this guy. You win. Zombies are dead. Pretty cool game. Pretty cool game. Very much like Plants vs. Zombies. I I appreciate that style. The sounds were pretty good. Let's see what else. I like the graphics, and I liked how the guys had different speeds and strengths. Figured out how to play it very fast. Wasn't difficult at all to figure out how to play. I think maybe you should pursue this game a little bit and try to make a more polished, more levels, armor upgrades, that kind of thing. Anyway, it's very good. So let me rate your game real quick. Overall, I thought it was good. It was definitely fun. Innovation, not a whole lot of innovation, right? We've seen the Plants vs. Zombies style game before, but it wasn't bad. Like, that's not a bad thing. Met the theme because, well, let's see, how did it meet the theme? We're running out of space because the zombies were eating our grain. Yeah, I'd say maybe met the theme about a little bit more than halfway. I like the graphics. I like that it was medieval times with zombies. I haven't seen that mash up very much, so the humor was good and the mood was definitely good. So, good job overall. Enjoyed it. Alright, let's see what else we have to play. The flop. Okay, floppy drive. Space is in your floppy. Alright, find the floppy, save the space. Looks like it was a team of two. We present you with a platform called the flop. The game will tell you all you need to know, hopefully, and if not, let us know in the comments. Okay, since the game's going to tell me everything I need to know, I'm skipping all that, and I'm going to go straight to the flop. Run the game. Oh, I like how when you ran the game, it went full screen. Save the flop, new game. World is running out of space. The only way to keep it the way it is to have enough floppy disk. Collect as much as you can, or the world as we know it is doomed. Dang. Okay. Got a floppy! Oh, crap. Oh, I love the redraw respawn. I hit space to jump, by the way, and definitely can't hit space to jump. Oh, I love how the floppy is what loads the level. Can I just double jump? Oh, there's spikes on the side of that one. I'm not hearing any sound, so if you have sound on this game, maybe it's not working on. Error, not enough space. Uh-oh. Wickedly cool thing there. Had an error and ran out of space, and so they couldn't draw me. Oh my gosh. What a fun little platformer. Error, not enough space. That looks like an insanely hard jump. Oh, shnikes. Right into the spike. Double jump, crawl. A is attack. Okay, well, I didn't need those, luckily. Okay. How do I get there? Little glitch with your down platform code, but that's okay. Not that big of a deal. Ouch! I wonder if I can cheat and go this way and go that way. Haha! Okay, can't go that way. Smash. I loved how the floppy disks were how they load the level and also your like save point. Except for this one, this is hard. Dang, you guys put a lot of effort into this. I appreciate that. That makes it fun to play. Like the hand-drawn pixel style. Taking my time because I don't want to go all the way back there. Come on. There we go. Ta-da! Error. Not enough space. Would have been cool if you could somehow have... I love how he kind of like glitched out the graphics. Been really cool to have some way to pass through these glitches. You know what I mean? Like some areas of it. Okay, jump too high, you die. Let me go back down. Jeez, that one almost took me off the platform. I feel like there's a secret over here. This has to be a secret, right? Nope, it's just part of the level later. It's okay. Super cool game. You made it. Space restored. The end. I like this game. Very cool. Awesome possum. Let's see. All right, next. Oh, I need to score this game. All right, overall, it was pretty fun. Innovation, I love the floppy disk thing. That's super cool. Met the theme pretty well. Liked the graphics. It wasn't very funny other than the part where I ran out of space and the level glitched. So I'm gonna give you some good points for that. And the mood was spot on. I mean, that level looked, awesome. So good job. Congratulations on that. Next, we have Battle for the Earth. Interactive story made. Shouldn't take more than 30 minutes to get through it. It'll probably take about 10. I am not going to rate this one on stream. I will come back to it and do it off stream. Just don't feel like a text adventure is a good thing to do over stream. Sorry about that. I will I'll check it out off camera. Overload. And I'm running out of time. I gotta stop at 1:30, so. Overload. The Mother Earth is dying. It's running out of resources, running out of space. You're here to help Mother Earth survive one more day. Just one more day. Alright. Let's keep this rolling here. Made with Unity. Unity. I'll turn the sound up so you can hear it. That's pretty impressive sound so far. Uh-oh. There it goes. Alright, let's play this maybe I should do a tutorial. Welcome to Overload. The object of this tutorial is to introduce you to the basics of this game. Click on the next button to advance to the next. You control the Earth. Your objective is to balance the number of humans with the resources available. Game ends when humans or the natural resources go extinct. There are 4 areas of the game representing 4 continents. You can click on every one of them to see their stats. And if need, executing some other action to help Mother Earth. Sometimes there are spawnings of a person on an area or an immigrant on a boat. Click on the item will decrease the population and give you a boost. Spawn person will gradually increase the population of the local area. Click on them to destroy this effect, or leave it there if it brings you an advantage. Sometimes people may try to leave an area to go after other with more resources. These are the boats. I'm going to click on them to destroy those people or leave them to other areas. Reach the end of this tutorial. Let's run this bad boy. A lot of people over there. Why you gotta make different colored people? I was fine with yellow people. I don't like people, so I'm killing them all. Humanity is extinct. I like the idea. This happens way too fast, by the way. This game. If this played a little slower, I wanna go with stats. Empty, no water. I gotta make this rain here. See, I'm overwhelmed when I'm playing this. I also, man, we could have done without the different colored people. It could have just been icons. I think you had a good idea. It was fun to play. It was pretty innovative. It's hard to balance, you know, that balance between, you know, humanity and Mother Nature. So it's pretty innovative. It fit the theme well. The graphics were okay. The audio was okay. The mood, I definitely was frantic trying to save Mother Earth, so that was good there. I might have made it run a little bit slower. Seemed like I was really like just trying to click through, and I couldn't really even pay attention to what I had to do. So it was a good game. I had a good idea, great effort. Let's see, Ludum Delivery. Plus H to view controls and rules. Oh, I'm not on the game yet. Ah, okay. So another sort of Tetris style game. Experimental works best with Chrome. Well, I'm running Chrome, so let's try it. Oh, left mouse button, grab and drop pieces, right mouse button, rotate the selected pieces once, and truck 1 and truck 2. Okay. Load the trucks with as much as possible, wait for the signal to be green, and send the trucks. Prevent the pieces from coming off the conveyor belts. Sounds way too high. Been cool. I don't know if you did it or not, but it'd be really cool to, if you had you had to worry about their weight. How did I rotate pieces? Like that. Hurry up, truck 2. Oh, this is cool. This is hard, by the way, but cool. I like the direction you went in with it. This is so cool. I like this game. Well done. Speaking of deliveries, I should be getting a 4K monitor today. I'm dying. I'm just waiting. I'm supposed to get it yesterday. Max 7. I don't know what that means, Max 7. Let's see if I can put some more stuff in it. Alright, truck one, go! Get out of here! Don't give me a blue one right now, I'll be screwed. This is super cool! A fun little game. I like the graphics. I like the sound, although it was quite loud at first. The snapping feels good. I'm able to grab the pieces easy without a problem. There's some planning that goes on in here. You don't want to send out your truck too much, too soon, but you also don't want to hold on to it too long. Pretty cool. Getting a rhythm though. I'd like to see maybe the pieces accelerate a little bit faster, like the rate that they're coming in at. That way it just got a little bit harder. Oh, I see the truck needs to get more and more full as you go on. I like the simplicity of the controls. Figured those out pretty fast. Even when you told me to left click to rotate the pieces, I kind of forgot, but then I figured it out on my own, which is always good. I feel like maybe there should be gravity inside the truck, so if I put a piece, you know, right here, it would fall down. I don't know, maybe there is. No, there's no gravity. Gravity inside the truck would make this game play a little differently, and I think you would like the outcome. Nope! Almost hit the wrong one. I love the sound when you try to send the wrong one. Has the air brake go off. That's pretty cool. Nice little touch. I like that there's not a million different shapes of parts or boxes too, because that could make it really hard. There's a lot of different shapes. Good work keeping the keys simple and using the mouse for the majority of it, but then using 1 and 2 to send out the trucks. I wonder if the parts ever start coming faster. I want it to end like that I Love Lucy episode where you're just like slamming parts in the truck boxes. Very chill game. Not stressed really yet. I definitely think you should continue with this game. Maybe make it touch active and put it on the phone. Maybe you can have different types of trucks come in. Some hold more than others. Oh crap, my truck is gonna be full. Very cool game. Very neat. It's getting harder now, I can tell. Oh, I'm screwed. I drop a piece. Game over. Truck set 19. Awesome. I didn't know I was trying to go for perfect. I like the graphics and I like this entire game. Is this on itch? Very cool. Let me rate this game real quick, and then I have a few more to do, but I'm gonna have to do them off stream. I gotta go somewhere, get some stuff done. But all the games that I did play today, I'm gonna go back and comment, write up comments about them, and such. So look forward to that. Thank you all for submitting your games and taking part in Ludum Dare. That's what the whole thing's about, is to play each other's games and have fun. I definitely liked a lot of them, so good job, everybody. So, Ludum Delivery. Overall, it was fun. Definitely fun. Innovation, it was pretty cool. I like the conveyor belt, and you stick them in the trucks and launch the trucks. The controls were really well done. Theme was awesome. I loved the graphics. The audio was okay. Well, I'd say it's more than okay. The audio was good. The music didn't get too annoying or anything like that, too repetitive. Like when I set the wrong truck and it was the air brakes, I wasn't expecting that. That was a nice touch. Humor, it wasn't too funny. Like there wasn't anything that was funny, but I just liked the gaminess of it. Like you knew it was a game, like inspired by like maybe Paperboy or something, like the music and the art and style and everything. So it was pretty cool. The mood was awesome. Good job on Ludum Delivery. Loved the title. Loved your take on the theme. Loved the art. It was a good game. So congratulations. With that, I'm going to stop playing. I have 2 more to go, and plus the text adventure that I will play offline. I will ask that you play my game, rate my game, and give me some feedback. I have some so far. I'm trying to hit that 20, man. Trying. Also, you can try to get the highest score in my game. No one's beat me so far. So let's see. Yep, I'm still up there. Hazal came close. And Phantom came really close. I'm 1180. He was 1100. So yeah, play my game. Get a high score. I'm gonna put the links out to YouTube and to Twitch. Play that game. Get the high score. Anyway, I had a lot of fun today. Thank you for joining me on the stream. Thank you for your submissions on your games. Made my day off a lot of fun. So thanks, and I'll see you later.